Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of MKR Developer channel. In this video I'm going to talk about floating action button. Let me give you an example. I have a notebook application here and I have two different types of floating action button here with two different vectors in them. So if I'm pressing this, I will be redirected to another activity. By pressing this one, I can add my tasks and okay, let me show you why we are using a floating action button. So as you see, I've added two more tasks, and whenever I'm scrolling down or up the task, this floating action button will stay always on the top. So that's why we are using a floating action button. Now let's go back to our application. Here I have a text view and I will keep it. And if you don't know how to use a text view, you can click on this link and watch a video about the text view. I will change the text of the text view and let me increase the size of the text view a bit. Oh, I think that's too much, maybe 24 and or maybe 30. That's good. Okay, now through the palette, through the button category, you can add a floating action button here. Then I will choose this avatar for now, and later we will delete it. Then we have to connect it to the constraint. I'm going to press this button and automatically it will be connected here. So here through the project view, inside the drawer folder, I'm going to press the right click and new and the vector asset to add a vector. If you don't know how to add a vector, you can click on this link and watch video about the vectors. I think it's a good vector for us, and I'm going to call it OK, and the black color is OK. Next and finish. And this is my vector here. Okay, now let's go back to the codes, and here Android source, @ drawell, and here OK. And now you can see our vector here, and in the design you can see it here. Let me change the ID of the floating action button to FBTN, and that's enough. And okay, let's go to the Kotlin codes. So first of all, I'm going to initialize our button. floating action button, and here r dot ids dot fbtn. Text view, and here the ID is r dot id dot text view, and here floating action button dot set on click listener, and the dot text equals to okay. Then that's it. Let me check it on emulator. Now I'm going to press this, and this random text will be displaying in the text view. And that was everything about floating action button. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below, and I will be so happy to answer to your question. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.